Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can create custom header and footers in Elementor free version. As you all know, to create custom header and footer for your website, you need Elementor Pro version. But there is a plugin we can use to create custom header and footers with free version of Elementor. So first of all, see this website. We will create custom header for this website. First log into your website and go to your dashboard. In plugins, go to add new. Search for header footer Elementor. Now you will see this Elementor header footer and blocks template plugin on the first number. Click install and activate it. I've already activated it. You can see in my install plugin section. I have installed only two plugins. First one is Elementor and second is Elementor header footer and blocks. After installing and activating Elementor header footer and blocks, head over to appearance, header footer and blocks. Click add new, name it header or whatever you want. I'm giving it header. Type of template, select header. Display on, select entire website. Click publish. After publishing it, click edit with Elementor. Now it will load Elementor editor where we will edit our custom header. Click this plus button, add two columns section. You can set its width to boxed or full width. I am leaving it boxed. In height, I am giving it 15 VH minimum height. Column position middle, vertical align middle. Click update. Now go to widgets and search for logo. Here you will see site logo, HFB site logo. Put it into the left column, align it left, but it is showing the default logo. To put your logo, go to the menu, site setting, site identity, choose image. Now select your logo and insert media. Click update. Scrolling down, you will see here site favicon. You can choose a site favicon for your website from here. Now cut it and you will see the updated logo here. Go to widgets, search for nav menu. You will see here navigation menu which is HFB. HFB refers to header footer block. Put it in the right column. Select your menu. I've already created a menu. If you have not created yet, you can create by going to your dashboard in appearance menus, or you can also create it just from here. Click Ctrl E and you will see the finder. Type menu, and if you click this menus, you will go to the menu section. There you will create your menu and click save. Come again to this page. So we have created our logo and menu. If you want to add a button in the last of the menu, you can go with here button and you will see button. But I am leaving it default. In layout, you can see it. You can assign your menu horizontal or vertical. I'm leaving it horizontal. Alignment left, right. You can also set up your navigation menu by testing up these settings. But I am leaving all default. Click update. If you want to resize your logo, you can go to your site logo widget. In style, you can increase or decrease width. I am leaving it in pixels. Maybe 130 pixel is good. Now it is our header. You can also give it a background color. Go to edit section, style, background type classic, in color. Choose whatever color you want. Like this. I'm leaving it to white. Click update. We can also assign a top bar. Click plus button. Choose again a section with two columns. Now we'll not, you can also give it a minimum height. I'm not giving it. Go to style. Give it a background color. I'm giving it this text color. You can add your email, phone number. Search for list. Search for icon list. Go here. Delete the remaining two items. In first item, I'm going to give it my number. Click on icon library. Search for phone. You will see this phone icon. Insert. Now duplicate it. In second one, I'm giving a email ID. Click icon library. Search for envelope. Okay. Now in layout, click inline, and this will be inline. Go to style. You can give them a space. I think 15 pixel is okay. Alignment left. I will give a divider. Color of the divider will be white. In icon, I'll give white color. I'll give this accent color. In text, I'll give it white. Typography, you can select according to your website scheme. I'm giving it Montserrat. Weight 400, size 14. Click update. Go to widgets. Search for social icons. Put it in the right column in top bar. I'm giving them circle shape. Columns auto, alignment right. In style tab, give it a size to maybe I think 18, 16 pixels. Yeah, good. You can leave this official color or give it to your custom color. I'm giving it custom in primary. This update, and this is our custom ad. There is one thing also. Go to column, vertical align, choose middle. In this column also, vertical align, middle. Same here, vertical align, middle. In the next one, vertical align, middle. In horizontal align, end. Update. Now this is our custom header. You can also do lot of things, depends on your creativity. After updating, exit to dashboard, and you can see our custom header. Is it looking good?